Welcome to my channel Mellow Life of Menka. So today's video is little different, friends. In this video I'm going to share with you certain tips on being healthy. So before I proceed, let me tell you, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a dietitian. It is all what I'm going to talk to you today is with my experiences as what I had been following and what I follow. So thoda correction is required in your day-to-day routine. So just that little corrections you do and you see the difference. So like I'll give you certain examples. When we are hungry, right? When we are hungry, what do we eat? We should eat healthy thing. If you are hungry, take an apple or take any fruit for that matter, and you fill yourself. Generally what there is a difference. There is a very thin line difference between hungry and craving. At times we are not hungry, but we have a craving. We are full. We don't want to eat. Our body doesn't need food, but we have a craving. So what we do, we start eating whatever we find in our house, right? Either we pick up chips or any kind of snacks. We do not want to pick up fruits because nobody wants to eat fruits, right? It's just that we don't want to eat every time fruits. Yeah, once in a while or once in a day we eat, but not every time. So you need to have the right willpower. That's very important to be healthy. You can't keep having the craving each time. You need to control your mind and say, hey, I am not hungry, so I shouldn't be eating anything at this moment. When I need, I will eat. So that's the control you need to give to your mind. So mind shouldn't control you, because your mind says that you eat something and you start eating whatever you see around you, right? So that's very critical, guys, when we are I would not say in a weight loss journey, but when we are wanting to be healthy. Avoid junk food, avoid packed juice. If you are really wanting, make a fresh juice. So that's important. The second thing I would say is input of water. How much intake of water, I would say. How much water do you take in a day? So we get lazy to fill water, right? We get lazy to fill the bottle. But you make sure. It's difficult at times that you need to keep a tab on how much water you are drinking. But it is important that you take minimum 3 liters of water in a day. If it is hot, like in North India, it's very hot these days, so maybe you would need more water to be hydrated throughout the day. So that's very important. And if you take sufficient quantity of water, you will have a good skin, your digestive system will be good. And as such, when your digestive system is good, so what, your metabolism is improving, and in turn good health, right? So start drinking more water, start getting that habit. And again, the most important thing, when we are hungry, when we want food, we tend to overeat. We are not eating how much is needed to the body, but we are trying to eat more than what is needed to the body, which is wrong. Always try to eat 80% of what is the requirement for the body. So at times you're craving, right? For dosa, for example, you want to eat 3 dosas because you want to eat more, you're liking it, you're enjoying it. But ideally, 1 dosa is good enough for your body. So control your mind again that, hey, I do not want to eat second dosa or the third dosa. Even if you are feeling hungry, actually it is not hungry. Maybe your body needs only 1 dosa, but you are eating 2 or 3 because you are thinking that if I eat 2 only, then I am satisfied. Then do one thing. Batter, what you use batter for making 1 dosa, make 2 dosas out of the same batter, so that your mind is not telling you that you have not eaten 2 and you are satisfied that you have eaten 2 dosas. So this is one example I am trying to say. So this is how you control. Overeating is the culprit for weight gain. and gaining is easy, guys, losing is not easy. So I have experienced it, because when we want to enjoy something, we try to overeat, and what happens later? We realize, oh, now I am overweight, and then we struggle to lose the weight. So let's not get into that culture of gaining weight where you can control, right? So do that. And salt and sugar, reduce your salt input. Don't try to eat more salt, because salt retains water in your body, because it has sodium, so it retains water in your body, and once the water is retained, it gives you weight gain. Sugar is anyway, it's a white poison, so avoid it. Maybe if you are having very sweet tooth, you can substitute sugar with jaggery. We call it bella in Kannada and gud in Hindi. So you can do that. And fruits, you must include one fruit in a day. And the next thing I would talk about is, don't try to eat all at once. So suppose many people think that breakfast, if I skip, I will lose weight, but that's wrong. If you eat in the right proportion, in the right interval, that's the right way to eat. So weight loss anybody can do by doing a strict diet, right? By being completely on fruits or salads. But how long will you do that? One or the other day you will come back on normal diet, right? And then what happens? Then you gain back. So rather than doing that, you balance your diet. You include everything in your meal which is required for your body. Do not try to control something to lose the weight and later you bounce back. Later it bounces back, right? So don't do that. So what I suggest, and I have followed it, so that's why I'm giving you this information. What you should do is eat small portions at different intervals. So for example, breakfast, eat one dosa. Maybe your breakfast you can eat by 8:39 max, and around 11:30, 12ish you eat one fruit. And then your lunchtime you eat a boiled egg, omelette, or some salad along with that, or maybe one small chapati with some dal or some vegetables. And again 4 o'clock type, if you're hungry, that's where we want to eat something junk, right? So I'll give you an example. Many people want to eat something which is very spicy, tasty with chai or coffee in the evening. So they want either chips ka packet, or they want mixture, or something junk. So change it, replace it with some kind of seeds like sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds. A handful you take, 1 or 2 tablespoons, eat that, drink some water, and take your coffee or chai. That's it. And evening when it's your dinner time, try to finish your dinner by 7:30. Do not delay it, and always give a gap between your dinner to your sleep time, at least 2 hours of gap. That's the healthy way, because by the time you go on bed, your food is digested, right? So that's the right way. A lot of water input, and include a lot of vegetables to your diet, a lot of fruits. Avoid junk food. Try to minimize it. Initially you will find little difficult you will find little difficulty to follow certain changes which you are not used to, but gradually you get used to that. So it's just that how you prepare your mind to follow it. And of course you should try to include any kind of physical activities in your daily routine. So try to take out some time, if not any kind of exercises, but at least a walk, half an hour, 20 minutes, half an hour type of walk you should definitely do in a day. And guys, what I mean to say is that what we eat and how much we eat will only make the difference. completely going against carb and going against what you eat generally is not the right way. I am telling you, I am telling you with my experience, it's not the right way. So, for example, everybody loves dosa in my house, right? But we do not make dosa with rice, made up of rice much. We make once in a while. But dosa we are eating. So what kind of dosa? We are eating moong dal ka dosa, or we are eating besan chila, which is the substitute, a replacement of dosa, but ideally, mentally, we are satisfied that we are eating dosa. And again, chutney. What chutney you eat? Coconut is not good for our heart, we know that. So you eat, there is no stoppage, but how much chutney you eat, that matters. So proportion again plays an important role here. So I would say if you eat 4 tablespoons of chutney with 2 dosas, reduce to 1 dosa with 1 tablespoon of chutney. You want to get the feel of the chutney, right? The taste of the chutney. So it's always there with you. And if you can control, definitely replace that with green chutney, which is made up of pudina or coriander. So that's what I would say, guys. And these are kind of corrections what we do. And you know, I used to love rice, but now the situation is that maybe I'm eating rice once in a week, but that also this much, because I have trained my mind to accept that change. So change is the only thing which can bring in lot of corrections in your health. So rather than regretting later, it's the time for us to realize now and work accordingly. That's what I can give the message to all of you. So eat healthy, be healthy, and live long. So I hope you're liking this information. If you are liking, please do subscribe and share with your friends and like my channel. So my videos, I would try to give some videos. I will try to put some videos on recipe which is healthy. I would not say boiled egg. I mean, sorry, not boiled egg. I would say boiled dal. That's the easiest way to reduce weight. आप boiled सब्जी खाओ, boiled दाल खाओ, चावल पूरी तरह से छोड़ दो और सिर्फ फ्रूट्स खाओ, सैलेड खाओ, तो वेट तो लूज़ होगा ही होगा. बट इज़ दैट द राइट वे? नो, आई एम टेलिंग यू नो. सो सब कुछ खाइए, लिमिट में खाइए, एंड अवॉइड विच इज़ नॉट हेल्दी. तो इससे आपका हेल्थ अच्छा रहेगा, आपकी स्किन अच्छी रहेगी, आपके बाल अच्छे रहेंगे, you will be always glowing. So keep watching my videos. Cheers for now. Take care. Bye bye.